journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So I hope you've all packed your best suits and your sharpest attitude as we begin this beautiful 5-year journey with Tribes.
रोड 2020 की यात्रा का शुभारंभ हो चुका है। हमारा पहला पड़ाव है चीतल ग्रैंड और यहाँ धीरे धीरे करके सभी लोग आ रहे हैं। थोड़ी देर में शुरू होगा मिर्ची ईटिंग कंपटीशन। देखते हैं इस साल का खिलाड़ी कौन होने वाला है। आइए चलते हैं चीतल ग्रैंड के अंदर और देखते हैं मिर्ची ईटिंग कंपटीशन के क्या अरेंजमेंट्स हैं। चीतल ग्रैंड में इस बार मिर्ची ईटिंग कंपटीशन के रिकॉर्ड्स टूट चुके हैं। हमारे साथ विनर्स हैं जो कि बहुत पसीने में। तो भाई ये पसीना मिर्ची की वजह से है या ये प्राइज मनी की गर्मी है?
दोनों की तरफ से है सर।
How are you feeling?
I'm totally cool. I'm fine. I have just become red. Otherwise, I'm fine.
So they are the ladies and Dinesh the winner. So we have our winners and the two ladies who are really close and put up a brave fight. All the best guys. Thank you so much.
रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ इश्क तेरा रड़ पावे इश्क तेरा रड़ पावे।
अब हम अपने अगले पड़ाव हरिद्वार पहुंच चुके हैं। द लैंड ऑफ गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस, रिवर गंगा एंड मोहनवाला पुरी। अब हम देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है। लेट्स गो।
सुरेश्वरी भगवती गंगे त्रिभुवन तारिणी तरल तरंगे शंकर महुली विहारिणी विमले मम मदिरास्तां तव पद कमले।
Started from Haridwar and we're going to Rishikesh. So last evening was great evening. मतलब जो आरती और जो माहौल बना था बहुत मजा आया।
सब में जोश भरा हुआ है and we hope we are going to rock it today and tomorrow also.
Enjoying great. Let's roar.
इसमें कितना है दम, दम से रखना कदम मेरे साथिया। साल है नई बात है नया ढंग है ट्राइब्स के रंगों की अब पूरी पतंग है अब पूरी।
Today is day 2 and as we head to a final destination of V&A Resorts Rishikesh. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep walking. With every step, we arrive closer to our destination because right here, right now, this is where we're supposed to be.
और पहुंच चुके हैं हम लोग V&A रिजॉर्ट्स में। हर साल की तरह गंगा किनारे हमारा ये सेक्रेड सा डेस्टिनेशन। माहौल दोस्तों इस वक्त बहुत इलेक्ट्रिक है क्योंकि कुछ लोग जा चुके हैं रिवर राफ्टिंग के लिए, कुछ लोग खेल रहे हैं क्रिकेट और कुछ लोग सिर्फ धूप के मजे ले रहे हैं। तैयारी पूरी है, शाम का इवेंट शुरू होने वाला है और उसकी तैयारियां जोरों पर हैं। द एक्शन इज अबाउट टू बिगिन। Louder. This is not the tribe's applause, please. Yes. No applause. Let's roll, ladies and gentlemen. This is Roar 2020. A loud applause. यहाँ पर हैं 5 glorious years और इनको कह रहे हैं हम पंचनमा.
Let's start tonight's proceedings by seeking blessings of God Almighty.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, सोंदिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को. जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या संदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन सुनता. जय देव जय देव.
ये 5 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं और जर्नी अभी आगे बहुत है. How's the cold? And how's the Josh? Lovely. To welcome the entire tribes team, there are few tribesmen who are going to welcome you in a very different way.
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
How's the Josh? Right, lovely. I want to invite on stage Mr. Sanjay Shukla on stage. Can we have that tribe roar? Can we have the real tribe roar?
I would like to really thank the investors who are here. With this, I would welcome Ajay ji, Saurabh ji, Ashish ji, Pranav ji, and of course, our own KD Saab. मजा नहीं आया. Our own KD Saab. Panchnama. We have one of those guys among us today who saw this vision 5 years back, and whatever we've done, whatever we've reached, wherever we reached, is because of his efforts.
बंजर माटी में पल कर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है. मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ. मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ. शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे?
Ladies and gentlemen, standing ovation for the marvelous Jen, Mr. Gaur Gupta. हर महाभारत को जीतने के लिए एक कृष्ण की जरूरत होती है. अर्जुन तो मिल गया था, लेकिन कृष्ण की भी कुछ यादें कर लें.
सबके सुर से मिलकर बने मेरा तराना. ये है वो मैं जो हमको मिलकर है बनाना. ये है वो मैं जो हमको मिलकर है बनाना.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up a standing ovation for KD Saab. KD Saab, can we have you on the stage, please?
यूं ही चला चला ही, यूं ही चला चला ही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया.
आप लोग ताली खुल के नहीं बजा रहे हैं. Can we have the tribe roar? Can I request Ajay ji to please come on the stage, please? A big round of applause for Ajay ji. The next one is our own Saurabh ji. The next one is for Akash ji. स्वागत आपका करेंगे दिल से. प्रभु जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much, Ajay ji, for supporting us and being there. Followed by Saurabh ji, followed by Akash ji, followed by KD Saab. A big round of applause for Prabhu and Pranav ji. Give it up for yourself. With this, can I request Ajay ji and KD Saab, celebrating 5 glorious years, ladies and gentlemen, Panchnama, Tribe Panchnama. companies under tribes. The first one is give it up for Saibal Gupta. The next one. Well guys, that's the new one.
Gives me immense pleasure to be here, roaring with you guys year after year. What a fantastic job you all have been doing.
जब चले चालू हुए तो सोचा नहीं था इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा, लेकिन भगवान का आशीर्वाद है, माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद है।
हम आम आदमी हैं जी, हम जानते हैं जी 5 साल पूरा करना कितनी बड़ी बात होती है जी। कैसे किया जी?
बस लगे रहो।
लगे तो हम भी हुए जी। अच्छा एक बात बताओ, आप लोग वापस कब जा रहे हो? 8 तारीख को दिल्ली में होगे ना जी? ओ जी तालिया, 8 तारीख को दिल्ली में जरूर होना है जी। मैं बता रहा हूँ 8 तारीख को दिल्ली में जरूर होना है जी। बहुत बहुत जरूरी है जी। आप लोगों ने कमाल का काम किया है जी, आपका शो ऑफ बनता है।
आज हमारे बीच एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है। Put your hands together, guys. Let's hear you cheer.
और सज्जनों, ये मेरे लिए बहुत खुशकिस्मती है कि मैं आज आप लोगों के बीच में यहाँ उपस्थित हूँ। तो आइए, इससे पहले कि हम लोग आज की कार्यवाही शुरू करें, मैं आप लोगों को गेम के रूल्स बता देता हूँ। तो कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में?
अरे
आप
अरे
लोग...
अरे अरे अमित जी
जी
लगता है आप ये सेट ना केबीसी का सोच के आए हैं। ये केबीसी का सेट नहीं है,
मतलब?
ये ट्राइब्स का 5 वर्षीय सेलिब्रेशन है।
अरे भाई पर मुझे तो बताया गया था कि यहाँ बड़े बड़े इनाम मिलते हैं, करोड़ों के इनाम मिलते जाते हैं यहाँ पर।
मिलते तो हैं
जी,
पर गलत सेट है।
अच्छा
हाँ।
मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से। पंचनमा के सेट पर मैं यहाँ पर आ जाया हूँ। तकरीबन इसी वक्त पर मैं केबीसी की भी शूटिंग कर रहा होता हूँ, इसलिए थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया।
A big round of applause.
Everybody knows it, bravo, a champion, 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 champion. All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance.
All the Ignite Mudra team here, please, guys. Everybody on the stage, Ignite Mudra.
If you feel like a room without a roof,
we're all here for you.
clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Headed by Mr. Gaur Gupta.
No offense to you.
बिग बॉस आपकी इस प्रेजेंटेशन से बहुत खुश हुए हैं, इसलिए बिग बॉस अपने घर से आपके स्टेज पर भेज रहे हैं एक बहुत खास मेहमान।
फल से अंबर डोले धरती पाँव धरे फट जावे दुर्जन जिसके।
किसी ने मुझे बताया तक नहीं कि ट्राइब्स के 5 साल हो गए।
पैदल चल रहा हूँ, गाड़ी चाहिए, जीवन के सफर में सवारी चाहिए। अकेला है मिस्टर खिलाड़ी, मिस खिलाड़ी चाहिए। अकेला है मिस्टर खिलाड़ी, मिस खिलाड़ी चाहिए।
देते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, झूमते हैं प्यार से इंडिया वाले।
मगर ये तो कोई न जाने ये मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
खुशियों की बारात है, पैसों की बरसात है, सच्चे हो गए सारे सपने, खुले नसीबा यार के।
सुनेगा तो मरेगा कल, अरे तू करेगा दूसरा मरेगा कल, मामा कल
सीटी बजा के बोल दुश्मन की देखो जो फातिलाउली रंगोली जैसे जैसे ओ ईद में होली।
Okay, guys, we've got a great show, and thank you so much for everyone for participation. We got the last number from Zenith Dance Group.
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई हो जाए
So let's start this evening by giving yourselves a big round of applause one more time. Come on everyone.
100%। सर्दी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तालियां हमेशा काम करेगी। 5 नंबर 5 साल पूरे किए, बहुत खूब। 5 कंपनीज एक साथ यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुई, बहुत खूब। 5 पैसे वाले लोग एक साथ आए, बहुत खूब। इतना सब कुछ खूबसूरत है। So ladies and gentlemen, आज की शाम तो यकीनन बहुत खूबसूरत होने वाली।
So let's start with Ganesh Vandana.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
It's now's the time. We're not going to get between you and them. Enjoy yourselves. Let's beat some drums. Let's get some fun.
Everybody, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. And join your hands. और अपने हाथों के बीच में 3 फूंक मारिए। हाथ यहाँ पे। Deep breath from your nose and exhale from your mouth. भारत माता की, गंगा माई की। Thank you so very much.
Alright, so we're going to start, ladies and gentlemen, with the Mirchi eating competition. Each one of them is walking away with 21,000 rupees cash prize each. Dinesh Kumar, 95,000 rupees cash prize for the man here.
Woo!
Go ahead, sir. Dance competition, that was another one. Chitra, Upasna and team. These guys are getting 21,000.
Our winners of the quiz are winning how much, Kanishk? You need to tell them all.
5,000 each. our categories of award. The first one is the Best Media Buying OOH.
Mr. Paul Anthony.
And ladies and gentlemen, the next one is the Best Media Buying for Experiential.
The winner is
Mr. Vijay Somya.
The next category, which is the Best Operations Person for OOH.
Mr. Pranav Karote. Can we have you on the stage and a big congratulations to you?
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Operations Person Experiential.
The winner is Mr. Mohammad Samir.
Best Operations Person for OOH, the Max.
Mr. Vivek Narwekar.
Next category is the Best Operations Person Experiential, the Max.
Mr. Vijay Somya.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. This one is the Best Operations Person for the tech company. This is a jury selection, so we've got no nomination, but straight away the winner is
Mr. Manoj.
The next one is the Young Business Person of the Year, Ignite.
And the winner is Kritika.
Winner under the same category. I request you to please come forward.
Abhishek Dangwal.
All right, the next one that we are moving on, ladies and gentlemen, is the Young Business Person of the Year.
Rahul Badesra.
The next award of the evening, and that is...
That is, ladies and gentlemen, the Young Business Person of the Year for the Tribes. The winner is...
Dipankar Saha.
All right,
the next one is the Best Finance Person for Ignite.
The winner is...
Abdul Kader.
Abdul Kader!
The next one is the Best Finance Person for the Max.
The winner is Manju Patel!
Best Finance Person for Tribes. And we've got a winner straight away. Jury's choice.
Shailendra Rawat.
Shailendra Rawat!
So, the Best Creative Person, Ignite.
Nikhil Mutreja, come up on the stage.
The Best Creative Person,
Rahul Kilrekar.
Rahul Kilrekar.
Let's get some magic in this area.
Absolutely.
Let's get to the seventh heaven. So, this is like the best debut for Ignite.
And the winner is...
Ritesh Bahal.
Mr. Ritesh Bahal!
This one is the best debut for the Max.
The winner is Sony.
The best debut for the tech company. And once again, we've got the winner right away. Here we go. The winner is...
The winner is Chirag Chawla.
Here we go. From the best debutants, we're moving on to the next one. It's the Star Performers of the Year.
Winner is...
Indranikram Parihar.
Star Performer of the Year, Middle Management.
The winner is...
Winner is Abhishek Dangwal.
junior management category. That's the one that we shall be moving on to. Once again, the Max is the...
We have a joint winner.
The winners are Daisy and Shahnaz.
It's once again time to move on to the next segment of awards.
Senior management, the Max की बात करेंगे. Let's see who the winner is.
The winner is public demand, Prashant Jain.
Prashant Jain! And move on to the next one. This is the star performer of the year for the middle management, the Max.
Winner is...
We have a joint winner, Reha and Saurabh.
Star performer of the year, that's the category. Junior management, the Max is the one that we shall be talking about.
Winner, and that is...
Sneha Ghosh.
Sneha Ghosh!
To the senior management winner,
Manika Malik.
Ignite की हम बात करेंगे. Ignite में best branch for winner.
Winner is the branch which had more people over here today, and that is...
South Branch.
South Branch, make some noise!
From the Ignite team here, now moving on to the Max.
The winners, the branch winners are...
Mumbai.
Mumbai!
अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम अपने अगले सेट की ओर चलें.
Absolutely.
ग्रुप अवार्ड है ये. विनर है
Sandeep Singh! NBG Person of the Year winner, and that is...
Mr. Sameer Vitlani.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक. लेकिन अब आगे चलते हैं. इनोवेशन ऑफ द ईयर.
Well, the winner is...
Honda.
The next one is the innovation of the year, experiential. और इस बार ये सब ग्रुप कैटेगरीज हैं.
The winner is
NBA projection.
गोरे 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 टुकड़े चांद के टुकड़े काली काली जुल्फें नीली नीली आंखें.
Creative person of the year,
Ritesh Chaudhary.
All right, the next one, ladies and gentlemen, is getting bigger and bigger. The best business team.
Sheikh Sahu and team.
the special group award goes to...
Punjab branch.
Punjab branch!
Come on for Sanjay sir. सर बोलना तो मैं चाहता हूँ लेकिन बोलूंगा नहीं अभी के लिए.
Over to you, sir.
Okay, guys, the Chairman's Choice Award. All right, with this, with a big round of applause, may I invite our Chairman, Mr. Gaur Gupta, on the stage. These lovely people who put the whole thing together. I think you can do it better than this, my friend. A big roar! Asian champion and the first Indian professional boxer. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for being with us. Mr. Sanjay Chakravarti, Mr. Jash Wilson, and Imola. CEO's Choice Award, ladies and gentlemen, is Anil Putran from Mumbai. He takes away a brand new Honda City. For the man from the government vertical, Prashant Sachdeva. He takes away a Honda City. Give it up for Devasmita Chanda. She takes away a Kia Altos, please. CEO's Choice Award, which is a very fair award, goes to Saurabh. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together from Sandeep Singh from Bangalore. The next one is for those lovely planners who made this happen. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Saurabh Chauhan. We also have the Iron Lady in our team who ran NBA, FIFA and multiple briefs in Bombay. The Iron Lady of Bombay, Rhea Rawal. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together for Ravi Subramaniam. He takes away a cheap compass. Whatever God tells me, for 7 years, never did that well, but he waited, he kept waiting, and this year, he performed par excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Prasanjit Lala. Put your hands together for Prashant Jain. The boy who got 14 new clients in the year and also did 4.75 crores. Samir Wiklani. Well, moving on, we have some few guys to be rewarded. Starting with Abhishek Dangwal. He takes away a 5 lakh rupee check for his super performance at Ignite Mudra. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Abhishek Dangwal. अगला जो प्यार है वो काफी खास है. Very good. Give it up for Inder Singh Parihar from Bangalore. He takes away a check of 21 lakhs for his super performance. All right, moving on, guys. ये तो अपने मैं नीचे जाऊंगा लेने इनको. ताली बजाते रहो, ताली बजाओ, ताली बजाओ, जोर की बजाओ, जोर की बजाओ. अपने बिहारी बाबू संजीव मिश्रा. Moving on, the next one who wins 25 lakh rupee is the most calm, composed, and the most happening and trusted, dependable man. This is Partho Ghosh from Ignite Mudra. बड़ा जोश को जोश में बढ़ाओगे? I like that. The first lucky one to win BMW Series. Here is the man who put us on the global map with various awards, Ritesh Chaudhary. The lady who's been performing par excellence for last 3 years, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Monica Malik from the tech company. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the man from a pind in Ludhiana moved on to Delhi and has, he's the same guy who was standing on the Charaha in Lucknow trying to get promoters. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chetan Chitkara. Last on the BMW series is the most important one. Whenever the history of Max would be written, his name would appear there. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Vivek Asthana.
के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार.
So, जो 2 अवार्ड बचे हैं उसमें से पहला है मैक्स पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द मैक्स पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर, माय मेंटर, माय गॉड, संजय शुक्ला सर. Sanjay sir is now the co-owner of Tribes. He's now induced into the board of directors of Tribes, ladies and gentlemen.
This is the Tribes Man of the Year Award. It goes to my friend. %40 growth compared to last year. Give it up for Ignite Mudra. Also, Rahul gets a bonus of 35 lakh rupees. Before the party begins, I won't say the night finishes, before the party begins, there are a few emotions, passions, and few things which Mr. Gupta wanted to say.
It's been an honor to work alongside all of you, and I'm extremely proud and extremely delighted with the performance that all of you have given. I cannot say as much in words. So the one thing, you know, that differentiates people to people is the fearlessness. If you want to succeed, you need to be fearless. And when you are fearless, it makes you take decisions which not many people can take. We have been doing it, and I am sure we are going to continue to do it. Most of you who know, this is a poem by Harivansh Rai Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan's father. So the first pad, which they missed, is something which I believe in and which I greatly influenced by, and that sums up everything, the entire evening and the entire effort that we've been putting for the last so many years, for the last 5 years. It's been an excellent journey, and my life and my professional life started on this river. So I have a great respect for this river. The river has never let me down. It has always given me a lot of confidence, and as I said earlier, a lot of positivity and a lot of strength. The moment I go back, I am supercharged and more confident than ever. Just to give you an analogy, for most of you who know, this river, this mighty river, starts from a small glacier, the Gomukh Glacier. If any of you have been there, you will see that it's a small tricklet, it's a small spring, which flows down and comes down to the plains. And this river gives you life till the time it goes and empties itself into the Bay of Bengal. Our journey also has been very similar to this river. We started very small, you know, and if you see, we have been giving life, we have been supporting life all along the way. We started with 7 people, today we are 200 people. And again, to give you an analogy, you know, the Ganga actually becomes Ganga at Devprayag. So where the river mighty Bhagirathi comes and the mighty Alkananda comes and merges. So similarly, we started a journey from Gomukh with a very few people, as you would have said, as you would have seen, 14 people to be precise. And at Devprayag, just like the river Ganga, we merged with Sanjay and his team, and it became Ganges. लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Zamana